Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to allow app mentions on a Discord server. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and edit the notifications for a server, but you only want to allow notifications when people mention you. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to a Discord server. Then click on the Discord server name, click on notification settings, and we're going to unmute this server. And then you're going to click on under server notification settings where it says only at mentions. So now when everyone mentions you, you can actually go ahead and get a notification. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and allow at mentions on a Discord server. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.